The Kaaba had two doors. According to tradition, when Prophet Ibrahim rebuilt the Kaaba with his son Prophet Ismail, he made two portals, one in eastern wall, which is used today, and the other in the western wall. The eastern portal was used as entrance and western one was used for exit. When Quraysh rebuilt the Kaaba in 608 C, they sealed off the western portal, excluded the northern part of the building proper and encircled in with a low wall. This scheme stayed until the time of Ibn Zubayr, when he reverted the Qurayshi modifications and included the Hatim into the building proper. After the Umayyad reconquest of the city, the western gate was walled up and the Hatim was separated again from the main building, reverting to the general outlines of the pre-Islamic plan. It is believed that first time a door was installed was in circa 350 C, and the first person to build a door for Al-Kaaba was King Tuba 430 C. Long before Prophet Muhammad, according to historians and what Ibn Hisham said in his biography, it was claimed that Tuba was the first to cover Al-Kaaba, and that he instructed the leaders of Jurhum tribe to maintain its purgation and make a door and a key for it. The door made by Tuba, which was made of wood, remained in place throughout the pre-Islamic era and the early Islamic era. It was not changed till Abd-Allah ibn Zubayr made an 11 arms long door, circa 684 C64 HJ. The oldest known and datable door of Kaaba was installed during the reign of Sultan Murid Evi. The work on this door of the Kaaba began in October 1629 C and was completed in March 1630 C and 40 Shia 40 HJ. The same door survived in the eastern wall in Spect for more than 300 years until 1947, when King Abdul Aziz ordered the manufacturing of a new door, manufactured by the master Egyptian craftsman. It was decorated with geometric shapes plated with 166 pounds of silver, and the rest was coated with Benedict gold, which is suitable for creative designs. It is now part of the Roads of Arabia exhibition, launched by the National Museum in Riyadh at Louvre Museum, Abu Dhabi.